So 1969 Chevy Corvette Stingray, guys. Haven't seen one of these in a long time. I used to have a 79. I don't want to remember those memories. It kept always breaking down on me. But this one's a lot more taken care of, as you guys can see. But I'm going to show you what it looks like before. It's got cherry bombs on it, there and there, and all rusted out. As you guys can see, all the exhaust is rusted out. It's got long tube headers. Yeah, it sounded really bad. That's why we didn't even give you a before on it. But there it is with cherry bombs. It's all rusted, old. We're gonna take it all out and put you some Flowmaster 40 series. Here it is, Super 44s, part number 842448. There'll be a link in the description for them, guys. We're gonna replace them. So we got this 69 Corvette just chilling. Getting new Flowmasters put in, new system. My guy can get it hooked up. Nice, very nice. And then we got a casual SRT Hellcat. Getting some mids deleted. Just casually, nothing crazy. Just another day at Exhaust Addict. All right, guys, 1969 Chevy Corvette Stingray with the lights tucked away on the Stingray. See them tucked away in there? That's cool. That rhymes. Anyways, check it out, guys. Really nice, really clean. Let me show you guys what we've done on it. So it's got long tube headers. Right there, right there. Then we ran 2.5-inch pipe, all new, all the way back to two Flowmaster Super 44s. One there and one right there. Part number 842448. Right there, right there. There'll be a link in the description. And then we left the stock tips on it. She didn't want to change them. So it's like, okay, we'll keep them like they are. Give it that patina look. So came out nice, clean. All new piping and all that. Hangers. Look at that independent rear suspension on it. I think it was cool from back in the day. And then the leaf suspension too. There's all the old pipes that were all rusted out and just seen better days that we took off. Stay tuned. We're gonna let you hear it. Hope you guys like it. Like always, like, comment, and hit that. That's classic sound right there. Is that what you were looking for? Are you happy? That's what I like to hear. That's awesome. Now it sounds like a Corvette. Classic muscle. Here's sound decibels. That's idle. About 79, 80. Go ahead. Right at 107. Again. That's clean. Go ahead and back it out, bro. Hot. It's a cool looking Corvette convertible. Stingray. Got a nice top on it. Check it out. That's what she wanted. He got her what she wants. Mama's happy, everybody's happy. There it is. Good looking car. If you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee. 3560 Dickerson Pike. Give us a call if you have any questions. Let you guys hear on the inside. Chevy Corvette Stingray 4-speed stick shift. Yay! Nice. Enjoy, guys.